Welcome back to Thek Unlimited, where tech hacks actually work. Let's be honest, ads have taken over our digital lives. They're not just in our browsers, they're interrupting mobile games, cluttering our favorite apps, and auto-playing on news sites. It feels like we're constantly being sold something and tracked. But what if you could block the vast majority of these ads across your device without installing a single app or browser extension? It sounds too good to be true, but it's not. Hit that subscribe button because we drop powerful hacks like this daily. Most ad blockers you know are browser extensions. They work, but they're limited to that specific browser. We're going to use a much more elegant solution, DNS-level ad blocking. So what is DNS? Think of the domain name system as the internet's phone book. When you type a website address, your device asks a DNS server for its corresponding IP address, the numerical address it uses to connect. This happens silently in the background for every single thing you do online. Now here's the magic. An ad-blocking DNS server maintains a massive block list of domains known to serve ads and trackers. When an app or website on your device tries to load an ad, it sends a request to this special DNS server. But instead of returning the real IP address for the ad server, it essentially says, "Sorry, that address doesn't exist." The request goes nowhere, the ad never loads, and you're left with a cleaner, faster experience. This all happens at the network level before the ad even has a chance to reach your device. Let's put this into practice. First up, for Android users. This is incredibly simple thanks to a feature called Private DNS, which also encrypts your requests for better privacy. Go to your settings, then find Network and Internet, and tap on Private DNS. Select Private DNS Provider hostname and in the text box, type. This is a popular ad-blocking DNS provider. Tap Save and you're done. Your phone will now block ads in your browser and most apps. If a site or app ever misbehaves, you can quickly come back here and turn it off to troubleshoot. Now for iPhone users, this method applies to your Wi-Fi connection. Go to Settings, tap on Wi-Fi, and then tap the little eye icon next to your current network. Scroll down to Configure DNS and tap it. Change the setting from automatic to manual. Delete any existing servers, then tap Add Server. Enter these two addresses for AdGuard DNS, one at a time, and type them exactly right, then tap Save in the top right corner. Now, all traffic on this Wi-Fi network will be filtered, and for our Windows PCs, this will apply system-wide protection. First, open the control panel. Go to Network and Sharing Center, then click Change Adapter Settings on the left. You'll see your network connections like Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Right-click on your active connection and select Properties. Find and select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click its Properties button. Click Use the following DNS server addresses and enter the AdGuard DNS addresses for preferred and for alternate. Click OK. For good measure, flush your DNS cache. Open Command Prompt as an administrator type and hit Enter. And that's it. By making this one simple change, you've enabled network-level ad blocking. This means faster page loads, less data usage, and even better battery life on mobile. More importantly, it's a huge boost in privacy, blocking invisible trackers that follow you across the web. This method even works on devices where you can't install software, like most smart TVs and gaming consoles. Try this out and let me know in the comments. Did it clean up your digital life? Hit subscribe for more hacks that actually work. Stay ad-free, stay sharp. This is tech hacks that actually work.